Good morning and happy Sunday and welcome back to another vlog. So happy Sunday guys. The weather is super duper amazing. It's a little gloomy outside. Can't focus. So it's a little gloomy outside. I'll show you throughout the day. And we are waiting.
Super early today.
Yes, we woke up super early today. As you guys know that Yeshu and Ashley are gonna be here, Nitish and Ashley.
Yeah.
But their tire busted and they ended up going through all that stuff, getting the new tire. So anyways, now they are back on the road. They dealt with that and they'll be here in another hour. So we are super hungry and decided to make a little toast. I'll show you what Tanya is making. It's super delicious. And today's vlog is gonna be too much food going on today, actually. But before I tell you and give you all the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe, like and share and comment and let us know how you're spending your Sunday, especially to all the amazing mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day. Tanya is lab mama, so we are still celebrating Mother's Day. Ashley is also a dog mama, so that's why there's so much food going on today. There's so much fun going on today and I'm very excited.
Excuse me.
That's because of the balsamic. So let me tell you now what's going on. Once again, happy Mother's Day to all the amazing moms who put in so much work that doesn't go unnoticed. So salute to all the moms out there. Now, food. As I said, it's gonna be all about food. She has made the
balsamic
beautiful
reduction,
glazed balsamic reduction. Look at that. And you're gonna store it in the fridge, right? Like for a month. So
that's what I'm gonna do.
That's why she did that.
Because
she's gonna store it.
every time you wanna use it, you don't wanna waste time reducing the balsamic and then.
Oh my god! And that was like my eyes were burning because of the balsamic, and the smell was so hardcore that you would be like, no, you don't want to do it every time. Anyway, so she has a guac here ready from avocados, and we like to add salt, pepper, and some Cajun seasoning. There's some onions in there, and then she had tomatoes here. So what she's gonna make, we have sourdough bread, which is ready here, and in the sourdough bread, she's gonna make one with the. Oops, sorry. With the sourdough bread, she's gonna make one toast with the egg and the avocado, and the other one with the tomato and the balsamic reduction.
No, avocado, tomato, balsamic. So avocado is gonna be on both the toast. It's just egg and different. Other one is gonna be tomato.
Okay, so that's how it's gonna be. We'll show you once it's ready. I'm excited to eat it. Let me show you where the eggs are. So there are the eggs. And Marvel is relaxing right now. He is over there. And today it's for the evening. Let me tell you, we are making chole bhature, or I must say I am making chole bhature. So this is what happens. Tanya and I, we both love to cook, and therefore sometimes we like fight who's gonna cook. Not fight. It's like she wants to try her recipes. She wants to make sometimes in her own way. I sometimes like to make in my own way. We both love each other's way, however we cook it. It's just different things,
we just
the same
want to
thing.
Make it.
Yeah. So from last 2 times she has been making chole and rajma in her own way, and they have been delicious. Like last time she made rajma with sofrito, if you guys saw that vlog. It was delicious. So today I told her that I am gonna be making chole my way, and then we'll be having bhatura. So if you saw yesterday's vlog, you will see that how I made the dough. I already showed that. So you can check that. I'll put the link in the description box. And that is what's gonna be dinner, and we don't know what's gonna be for appetizers and stuff like that because we have too many things that's ready. So let's see.
Eat accordingly, like
feel
hungry and you want something.
Exactly. So we'll keep showing you guys whatever is going in the house. So for now, I think once the breakfast is ready, or brunch I must say is ready, I'll show you guys how it looks. Oh my god, look at that, what happened. So the egg is basically done. Okay, it's gone now. Did you guys? I hope you guys saw that. What happened? It's done, baby. You have to take it out. That was super funny.
If you want to keep it runny, like over easy, you can keep it over easy, but this is full done.
Yeah, that's not what we wanted.
But we were so busy talking.
I distract. Look at that. That balsamic reduction looks so good, and it has a little bit of everything seasoning, and this one has Cajun seasoning on it. I think this is gonna be the best combination. Sourdough bread, balsamic reduction, avocado guacamole, fried egg. Oh my gosh. I mean, what else do you want to start your Sunday in a healthy way? Anyways, I'm gonna snap a picture and gonna go eat it.
And watch Viking until they come.
Yes, we have 1 hour before they come, so I think we'll be able to watch one episode. Let's do that. Okay, so finally a little bit of peace. They are having something to eat. They are eating the same thing that we ate, and they got a bunch of stuff. What was the, oh yeah, look at all the cake. Look at this. She baked this cake, so she got like a huge ginormous piece. And then look at that chocolate cake, and then what was the bread that you guys got for us?
Jalapeno and cheese bread and apple fritter bread.
Okay, so we got jalapeno and cheese bread, and then apple fritter bread, and she already had sourdough bread got. So it's like a lot of bread we have. And today, you guys know, we are making chole bhature. So I have boiled all of the chole with the whole spices in here.
Yeah.
And then I'll show you guys when I make them.
And the dough is already ready.
Yes, so the dough is already ready, and we showed that in yesterday's vlog, so you guys can check that out. Okay guys, so I'm making chole here, and we ate a little bit, and I almost forgot to show you guys. So I already put the masala in there, but so let me tell you, I used the chopper and I chopped onion, ginger and green chili, 3 things. So I chopped in there, and I have a little bit of cardamom in this, and now I'm just gonna saute the masala. And for chole, Tanya actually boiled the chole, and she boiled it with all the whole spices in it. So I'll show you that. So I'm gonna saute all the masala, and then I'll show you what I'm adding into it. Salt, coriander powder, garam masala, Kashmiri lal mirch, chaat masala or amchur powder, whatever you guys have, and chola masala, and that's it. So I'm gonna roast all the spices, and I'm also gonna add tomatoes in it. So I'm gonna chop them and then add them. Okay guys, so I added tomatoes to it, and always let your masala to be sauteed properly so it starts leaving some oil. And Tanya is doing chai ka pani because we like to add that. So once it's all sauteed now, I also added a little bit of cardamom in there, bari elaichi, and then that's it. This is how the chole look like. Look at that. That's the little strainer that has all the whole spices to boil the chola with. And I'm gonna just put all the chola in there. And then just mix it up and add chai ka pani and whatever water is needed. Okay, so next step, I added the cholas. I crushed them a little bit and added the tea water in there. And then I'm gonna use this water in which I boiled the cholas for the rest of the consistency. Look at that. Look at that consistency. Look at that texture and everything. Oh my god. Okay guys, look at that final chola. I'm gonna let it bring up to boil on a simmer. I'm gonna sim it up, and on a simmer I'm let it boil for 2 to 5 minutes so that everything gets soaked into chola. And in the meantime, look at these ladies over here. Oh, the one is missing. The boss lady is missing.
Right here. Oh
there
God,
she is. So she has recently started her own business for t-shirts. So I'm gonna put the Etsy link in the description box so you guys can go check that out. And she is making t-shirts.
Oh, I like
Look at that.
I'm getting Alexa, I need wine for myself.
So
It's a black t-shirt, right?
that's her setup. That's her machine and everything. And she is just working. Sorry. Okay. So they're having a little bit of fun over there. And I'm almost done making this. For Ashley, it's a little spicy. She doesn't eat a lot of spicy, so I'm gonna make paneer for her. She is not a chola fan like this, so I'm gonna make a little bit of paneer for her. Guys, so I made paneer for Ashley, and let me show you. So I am not gonna share the recipe today of this paneer. I'll show it in some other vlog, but look at that. Look how creamy, how delicious it looks. And this is non-spicy, this is on the sweet side, and it's Shahi Paneer, so it looks super good. So do comment and let us know how many of you guys love paneer, how many of you guys love chole bhature, how many of you guys love gulab jamun. You know, so much food we have shown you today. So do comment and let us know your favorite food.
I think Nitish will, if Nitish is commenting, my brother, he'll comment chole bhature, paneer, everything. He likes everything, so he'll just comment everything.
So I think now we are gonna it will take 5 more minutes to be done, and then we are gonna feed the dogs, take them out because the weather is gloomy but not raining, and then we'll come back and make bhature. Okay, so she has been drinking all day.
Oh, really? Right.
And we just finished one bottle and now she wants to have another one. So anyways, jokes apart, and so what's going on is we are gonna kick off this birthday weekend and an amazing week because Yeshu's birthday is on 12th,
yes,
which is a Tuesday. Everybody will be working, so we decided to just kick off his birthday week with the little shots.
This is birthday gift that we are opening.
Yeah, so he got this birthday gift from his father-in-law, and he was generous enough to let us know that he got it. So I guess we are not gonna you know, like insult this beautiful bottle of Captain Morgan's by just let it sit here.
Yes.
So we want to respect the bottle, open it and try it. So if everybody can join us in this kicking off ceremony of the auspicious birth of Nitish Sinha somewhere in 92 May.
Yes. Did you already?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Who tasted it?
All right.
Tastes delicious.
Let the birthday begin. Woo!
Cheers!
You didn't know. I did not like that.
Smooth.
It's nice.
Burns down the throat even for a sip.
Nice.
I think I can spray the countertop with that. much alcohol's in
Please
there.
don't tell your dad that. That I used Captain Morgan's to just spray my countertops and disinfect.
Put a little spray bottle on there.
It's good. Very strong, but
I like it. Right, so we are gonna
start making bhature.
bhature and
You guys have already seen us making bhature so many times.
yeah.
We don't want to bore you by showing it again.
Yeah. So we are gonna make the bhatures and then
Yeah,
eat
right.
it.
Alright, so bhatures are done. You can see how beautiful they look, and we're gonna go have dinner because we all are very hungry. Yes, and they are very excited for chole bhature. And yep, let's go eat some dinner.
Alright people, the time is 9:15. Everybody got work tomorrow. Ashley has something to do for her work. He has his work. She got her work. So if you guys do not know, Tanya is back at work.
Oh yes, I am.
Because our counties are opening from tomorrow, but under certain restrictions, of course. And I of course have my work. So it's 9:50, 9:20, and we all are gonna hit the bed now.
Yes.
So everybody is ready, filling up their waters, getting back to bed, and we are gonna see you with a lot of food this
Yes.
whole week.
Yes, a lot of food.
Yes. So don't get surprised. Stay tuned for the rest of the week and enjoy this quarantine period with our food and
Some craziness from our family.
yes. So a lot of love from our family to yours.
Oh, let me
Stay
show one thing before
safe.
we end the vlog.
Oh, she just broke my rhythm.
Sorry.
For good reasons though.
Look at this.
Ashley made this for us.
Yes.
Look at that. Wow. That is super cool.
Sinhas.
You know what?
There are like 4 Sinhas here, but the Sinhas.
So, well, that's why it says established 2015.
Yep.
Only these
Both.
Sinhas got established in 2015. So, anyways, that's not the only stuff she got. She got a bunch of
Yeah, I'll show
t-shirts
you
and a
guys
lot
tomorrow.
of stuff. So, we'll do, in tomorrow's vlog, we'll do that. But for this vlog, this is gonna be it. And we are gonna see you in the next vlog. Until then,